To track sleep by using Google Pixel Watch 3, first of all, you have to be sure that you are connected with the Fitbit application. You don't have to buy this premium subscription, you can just simply connect this with the Fitbit app. If you don't know how to do this, I've got a second video on my channel where I'm showing you step by step how you can do this. And when you connect this device into the Fitbit application, then all you have to do is just to put this watch on your wrist when you are going to sleep. Like that. You have to remember to get, this sensor's contact with your skin, like that, for example. And when you go to sleep, it will actually start measuring your sleep automatically. So this is actually the sleep from my last night. That's how it looks. All of the sleep stages. We can also get the benchmark, 30-day average. And if you don't have this data when you wake up, you will have to just simply be sure that your devices are synchronized, so you have to just slide like that. And then after a few moments, the data will appear right here on your phone. And as you can see, that's actually quite simple because it actually tracks your sleep automatically. Thanks for watching.